Hello, audience, once again. Connor, shut that up.
What?
Shut that off.
Why?
I was watching a video, and I want to hear it in the background. Shut up. Okay, more burping. Hey. Okay, before I start, I have to say one thing. Thank you. Thank you for all the support. There we go. Okay, that's not it. Okay. I've been suggested to do the story challenge again because the camera was in a weird angle, but I don't want to do it again. I want to do new challenges, not the same one over and over until I just get it perfect. I'll do it again probably in the future, but not anytime soon. Alright. So, I'm just gonna chug this entire thing, and then I'm gonna burp. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, that was awesome. Sounded like a devil was in my throat, just going. Okay. I'm not allowed to have any more soda today, so that's all the soda I can have. I already had one earlier. Remember, guys, suggest me other challenges. Try not to do burping things, but I'm doing the 5-minute challenge right now. When it's 3 minutes, I'm going to try and do the 5-minute challenge because I was suggested that. But try and suggest things that don't involve burping. I know burping's awesome and all, and I'm really good at doing it because I'm a pro, because I can do this. Oh man. The devil burp, I can do it, it's just my stomach hurts right now, so. Alright, 3. What?
Ugh. Please stop. Please, Eddie, please stop. Stop it! Is this part of the video? Are you making a video, Blake? Because I'm about to watch something. Are you? Are you making a video?
Yes.
Okay. Hurry up and make it.
Okay. 5-minute challenge completed. I'm gonna pass out.
Alright, turn that off.
Oh man. Smells like Pepsi in here now. Oh, I can't believe it. That was actually harder than I thought it was gonna be. You can't stop burping. You can only stop to breathe. You can't talk. Ugh. I can barely go 5 minutes without talking.
I can go 5 minutes
without talking while I'm burping.
At everything.
Can you shut up, please? This is my channel.
I don't care. I'm talking master.
I don't care.
Okay.
Okay. Time for the grand finale. Devil burp.
Oh.
Want me to do another one?
It sounds like death.
It sounds like death himself. It sounds like death farting. Just
no, it sounds like the devil. The devil, like.
It sounds like the
burping
devil
out fart
farting.
through his butt. Can you please?
I'm not gonna stop. Please don't suggest the 10-minute challenge. Please don't suggest the 10-minute challenge.
Do the 50-minute challenge.
I don't think there's a 50-minute challenge.
Do the 10-minute, 20-minute challenge.
I think it only goes up to 10 minutes, Connor. Hopefully there's no 20-minute challenge or 30 minutes.
Come on, then do it.
Please don't suggest. Okay, now that I said there's going to be a 30-minute challenge, people are going to suggest burp for 30 minutes straight. I don't want to do it. You try it.
Adios.
Put a video on YouTube. Put a video on YouTube. If you think you can do it,
just say adios and
30 minutes straight, just burp. I'm not gonna do it. I can't do that.
I can't.
Can you shut up already? There's on the top bunk up there.
I'm a talking master. I just told you that. Alright, can you click off this? Oh god.
I just lifted his bed up. Look at this. I lift up his bed. Alright. Well, I guess I really have nothing else to do. I guess my dad can be in the video. I mean, he's home for a while. I will see if he wants to be in the video. Alright, sorry guys, but my dad didn't want to be in the end of the video. He doesn't like YouTube. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Adios.